Hello friends, today we see the subject computer. Okay, in the last period we see the first lesson. We start the first lesson and the first lesson name is parts of a computer. In the last lesson we see the four main parts of computer. Okay, everyone remember CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. These are the four main parts of computer. The main parts of computer are CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse are must for the proper working for the computer. Using these parts we can use the computer, but along with the main parts of computer there are many additional part of computer which make a computer multi-purpose device. Using these helping parts computer are multi-purpose device. Okay, so today we see the helping parts of computer. So helping parts of computer is speaker, microphone, printer, UPS, DVD or CD, scanner, pen drive, hard disk. These are the helping parts of computer. Today we see one by one. Okay, so first we see the speaker and headphone. You can see the picture of speaker and headphone. The first picture is speaker. Speaker are used to listen sound and music that are stored on a computer. Okay, so speaker are used to listen to sound and music that are stored on a computer. You can also listen to music being played from the CD or a computer. If students, if you store some songs, your favorite song you store in your computer, that songs or that music you can listen through these speakers. Okay, you can you can adjust the voice of speaker. You can adjust if the voice you want to less sound, so you can minimize, and if you want the big sound more big sound, that time you are maximum the volume level. Okay, so these are the use of speaker. Using this speaker you listen the sound, that sounds or that music you can store in your computer. That music you can listen through this speaker. And the next picture you see in the slide, this is headphone. This we use headphone when we want to listen to the music without disturbing other sitting nearby. Okay, when we use the speaker, you can see the music, you and the other people also, but when you use the headphone only you can hear the music. You don't disturb others. Okay, so using this speaker or using this headphone are sound coming from the computer in your ear only, and the other people are not disturbing. Okay, so using these headphones only you can listen the song or you can listen music. Okay, everyone understood? So next part is the microphone. This is microphone, and this microphone is called mic, and you use a microphone to record your voice or music on the computer. Students, if you want you record any music or any song, poem So that time you can use the microphone, and when you sing a song in this microphone, your song will be saved in the computer. And when you use you when you any song or any poem you save in your computer, the next time or next time you can listen this song through the computer. Okay, this save poem or song you can listen again and again. Okay, so microphone use is to record your voice or music on the computer. So next part is printer. Printer is help the print on paper what you see on the monitor. If you can see any picture or documents on the monitor, that documents or pictures you can print out on the paper through this printer. If you want the printout, that time you use the printer, and this printer help us to get the printout. Printout means copy on a sheet of paper of our work done on the computer. There are different kinds of printer available in the market. Okay, some printers are only black and whites, and some printer are colors also. So using this printer you can get the printout on the paper. Okay,